Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use your cruise control and Speedtronic in your Mercedes-Benz C180 Coupe. Cruise control maintains a constant road speed for you. It brakes automatically in order to avoid exceeding the set speed. You must select the low gear in good time on long and step downhill gradients. Especially if the vehicle is landing or towing a trailer. Cruise control lever. You can operate cruise control and variable Speedtronic with the cruise control lever over there. The LIM indicator lamp on the cruise control lever indicates which system you have selected. The LIM indicator lamp is off, cruise control is selected. LIM indicator lamp on, variable Speedtronic is selected. And you are able to see this in front of your heads-up display. Let's start with Speedtronic. Press the cruise control lever up for a higher speed or down for lower speed. Keep the cruise control lever pressed until the desired speed is reached. Release the cruise control lever. The new speed is stored. To adjust the set speed in 1 km/h increments, briefly press the cruise control lever up or down to the pressure point. The last stored speed increased or decreased in 1 km/h increments. To adjust the set speed in 10 km/h increments, press the cruise control lever briefly up or down beyond the pressure point. The last stored speed increased or decreased in 10 km/h increments. How we are able to deactivate this? Briefly press the cruise control lever forward or brake, or briefly press the control lever in the direction of top of the lever. This is the button. This button. Now it's off. You are able to switch between Speedtronic and cruise control. Cruise control is also called Tempomat. One lever, two options. Cruise control and Speedtronic, as seen in the display. Speedtronic, this is the limit. Press again and press again. This is the Tempomat or cruise control. Switch the position, lever up, lever down to increase the speed steps. Cruise control is automatically deactivated if you depress the parking brake. You are driving at less than 30 km/h. ESP intervenes or you deactivate ESP. You shift into neutral in a vehicle with manual transmission while driving or depress the clutch pedal for longer than 6 seconds. On vehicle with manual transmission, you shift to gear that is too high, and as a result, the engine speed is too low. On vehicle with automatic transmission, you shift to position N while driving, but this is not good. Do not shift to position N while driving, because this will gain some damage at your transmission. Okay, take care. The control lever is the main system you have to use for cruise control and Speedtronic. To activate, press the button on top. Then you are able to switch the button, the lever up and down to select the speed level and press it down or up to store or to use the stored value. Let's check this in practice mode. Let's check Speedtronic first. Now we are driving up to 30 km/h, and then we are able to switch on. Let's set the speed level to 30. Yes, I'm pressing down the pedal, but we are not going faster than 30 km/h. Now use the lever to make the speed limit a little bit higher in 1 times steps or in 10 times steps. Now we are at 40 kilometers, and I'm only pressing the pedal down and it works. Now we are driving the stored kilometer per hour's value. Nice and easy. Speedtronic. Oh, to store the current speed and call up the last stored speed is pull the lever to store the current speed or lower speed. Go down, and if you go to a higher set, go up with a lever, and it's your vehicle is going up too. We are only driving the stored value of this. Nice and easy. Yeah. Now let's test cruise control or the tempomat. We can activate it by pressing the button on top of the lever to switch the tempomat or the cruise control, not the Speedtronic. Now set the active speed in this moment with moving up or down the lever, and then you are able to sit down and rest a little bit. You can take your foot down off the pedal, only be ready to brake for safety first, and then the car will drive automatically. You have to continue steering, of course, but you do not have to use the gas pedal. And you are setting the current speed with up and down and relaxed driving, maybe on the highway. Okay, to activate or increase speed, go up with the lever. LIM indicator lamp is on or off because of your Speedtronic or tempomat options. To activate the current speed or the last stored speed, you have to pull the lever. To activate or reduce speed, you have to go down with the lever. To switch between cruise control and variable speed, press it on top. I did say it's something. And to deactivate cruise control, you have to push it. You are able to deactivate the Speedtronic 2 if you're braking, or you're pushing the lever, or you're parking your car. When you activate cruise control, the stored speed is shown on the multifunction display for 5 seconds. Vehicle with a 4-button multifunction steering wheels. The stored speed is then permanently displayed in the status indicator together with this symbol of speed. Vehicles with 12-button multifunction steering wheels, the segment from the stored speed up to the maximum speed lights up in the multifunction display. So you are able to see every time what mode you are using at this moment. If you like to store the current speed, accelerate the vehicle to the desired speed, briefly press the cruise control lever up or down, remove your foot from the accelerator pedal, cruise control is activated. The vehicle automatically maintains the speed and it's storing too for next using again. But take care, do not forget the stored value, because if the stored value is maybe 120 kilometers per hour and you are driving inside the city, that's not good if you selected this. Okay? There's more than one action. Permanent Speedtronic. You can use the onboard computer to limit the speed permanently to a value between 160 kilometers. For example, driving on winter tires, and the maximum speed. Shortly before the stored speed is reached, it appears in the multifunction display. Permanent Speedtronic remains active even if variable Speedtronic is deactivated. You can exit the stored limit speed even if you depress the accelerator pedal beyond the pressure point. As you can see in the heads-up display, the setting permanently Speedtronic, press right and down to settings, then go to vehicle, then confirm, then limit speed, winter tires function, then OK, and you are able to adjust the permanent Speedtronic. Press the code to store it. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.